I'm going to take you on a little snow adventure today. We got quite a bit of snow. It's past the window, and we were snowed in for 3 days, and it was a mess. The dogs, the kids, and me were ready to get out and do something. Plus, I wanted to see if the driveway or the road were plowed or not, and actually some of the damage that the snow caused with the wind and all that stuff. So the dogs and kids, when they got outside, and you will see this, got a little crazy. I don't remember getting this much snow, and the kids, I don't think ever have seen this much snow. So the kids one of the kids got their skis out, and the other kid decides to jump off the deck into a big snow pile, and the dogs get stuck, and oh my goodness, it's just a crazy time. So stick with us, and we'll show you what happened. The snow?
Holy crap. Nicholas, you got a lot of shoveling.
Yeah, I'd say. Talk about snow blind. Look at that.
Jeez, dude, that's so... Holy crap.
These guys are gonna try to ski. I don't know how, but... Eve, are you coming, girl? Come on. Huh? Oh. Hey, watch the swearing.
Damn, these are warm gloves.
Nicholas? If you wreck those gloves, I'm gonna be mad. I mean it. Oh, these guys. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, leave the little girl alone. Oh, look at Maggie trying to get through. Oh, Maggie. Oh, she just slithered right under. Oh my gosh. Did you see her struggling? Oh my gosh. Well, this should be interesting. You might, yeah. Well, yeah. You got too much snow in there, dude.
There you go.
All right. Yeah, I know. Just go. Watch the tree. Oh. What? You can still ski on it. You gotta have momentum, dude. Little Eve, oh honey, what are you doing? You wanna go in? Eve, why don't you go in? You're freezing.
Jacob's gonna send it down the stairs.
He is?
Yeah. Why? That's what everyone does. That's what my friends do. That's why I got the idea.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, hello. Pick up, Peter.
Oh, wow.
Wow. It would have been smarter to go around.
Keely, come here, girl. Keely, come here. I want to see if you can jump through this. Come on. Aw, pussy.
Hey, watch it. Look at Maggie, she loves this. Look at you go, girl. Really? Oh my gosh! This is terrible.
There, dude, I made you a runway.
Knocked all those out.
Mom, honey.
Holy moly. Whoa.
Look at that. Mom, this is gonna suck.
You know what I'm gonna do?
What? You're gonna get a sled and go down there.
No.
What?
Go, Jacob.
What are you gonna do? Go on your butt? Face is getting cold. Holy crap.
Let's go, Jacob! Let's go, Jacob!
Remember to always tap the back of your boot to get the snow out.
You've never told me that.
Yeah, you've never said that.
Yeah, I have. Well, maybe if you guys would listen when I taught you how to ski. That's how they pop out. See? When they pop out, it means there's too much. No, there's too much snow. If you would listen.
Okay, Josh, don't put that one back down. Put it in now. And I'll hold it still.
Their trails.
Come on. Go. Push it down.
Dude.
Push your heel down.
Nicholas, shut up!
There.
You in? Sometimes they don't click.
You got it. Nope.
I know.
Okay, before he goes down, like and subscribe so you can see more of these fun videos. Okay, let's get back to it.
There.
Okay,
You're welcome. You got it.
ready? Go.
I think I'm gonna do this. Oh crap, here we go.
Go.
Yeah.
There you go. See? Hold on. Oh my God! Yes! Yes!
What?
Come here, Mom!
Oh no. Oh, see if I can get through this.
Is there a table down there?
A table?
Yeah.
Holy crap, no. That's solid snow.
I was gonna jump in it.
Well, I recommend right there. Oh boy.
California!
Did that hurt?
No.
There is a fire pit over there somewhere. You're supposed to jump in that part of the snow. Isn't that weird how there's a runway in there? It's like not even touched. That's weird. How deep it is. There's a trampoline. I think she's stepping on the trampoline. He's gonna jump off again. Oh, look at him! He's trying to get through it. Oh, look at Maggie. Oh my gosh. Jeez.
It's legit padding.
That'll wear him out. Holy moly, will that wear him out?
Yeah, it's like the easiest. You don't see.
Oh, Maggie's stuck. Maggie, are you stuck? Maggie's stuck. Maggie's stuck. She does big leaps. Go, Maggie, go! You can do it!
Look how deep this is. Ready?
Yeah.
We're not there yet.
You're supposed to be so close to me.
Yeah, that's the pond. Are you standing on a chair?
No.
Okay, Kaylee's stuck.
God, dude, I'm getting stuck.
You guys are gonna be worn out.
Oh. I'm on a chair.
Come here! Kaylee, come! Maggie! They're like, that's a lot of work. Come on, let's go! Oh, poor Meg. Maggie, are you stuck? She's stuck! Oh, honey! Oh, doesn't pay to be short sometimes. Aw, nice brother. Go, Meg! Look at Kaylee just sit there. This is interesting. Watch. Oh, honey. Meg, jump! Jump! Yeah, she makes the path. Kaylee's smart. What? Yeah, follow the same path there, Kales. That's what she was waiting over there the whole time. So somebody would create a path for her. Okay. This is the driveway. Mag, you're gonna get stuck again. Don't now, because we're out of shape. You don't need to get a heart attack. I don't know how I'm gonna get over there. Holy jeez. Oh. Oh. Holy crap. Okay, there's so many drifts out there. We'll find out if they plowed the road, but I doubt it. Here you go.
Mine's down at Grandma's. Mine's put down at Grandma's.
There's more sleds in the shed. Are they in that shed or the other shed? work. Especially when it's this deep. Look at the marker. Kaylee, she's tired. Leave her alone. Woo! This was plowed last night by a nice neighbor. Let's see. Oh! Yeah. They did plow the road. Kaylee! Get back here, girl. Nice try. Come on, Maggie. Come on, girl. You can do it. Come on, Mag. That's hard work. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, Maggie. Kayle and Maggie, you're turning white, girls. Maggie, you gotta calm down. Kayle. Be nice. So this is the next day after we got this plowed into big piles and off the road, and the girls are finally able to run and play and do whatever they like to do. And it's King of the Hill.